Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Spotlight blueprint in Subnautica 2. If you want more lighting options for your underwater base, especially around the exterior areas, then you'll definitely want to unlock the Spotlight blueprint. To find it, start from your life pod and head north toward the old habitat, located around 360 meters away. Keep swimming north until you reach the underwater ruins. Once you arrive, head toward the building on the right side and swim underneath it to find a hole in the floor. Go through that opening to enter the building. After entering, swim past the first doorway you see, turn left, continue straight down the corridor, and climb up the ladder at the end. On the upper floor, you'll find the Spotlight sitting on a shelf. Pull out your scanner and scan it to unlock the blueprint. Once you have it, you can return to your base and start building spotlights outside your habitat to better illuminate the surrounding area, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.